Good morning, guys. Good morning, Mami Gomiga. Madam, good morning.
Morning.
We are now going to Pensacola. Another day. We're going to have a road trip, guys. So we're checking out now and we're on the way to Pensacola, guys, sa house ng kasi ni Madam. So stick around, guys, as we are going to have this road trip and we'll see you later. Morning, guys.
Morning.
Good morning,
We're on our way
Charles
to San
family.
Jose.
So where are we going?
Tampa, Florida.
Tampa, Florida. Morning, Sean. So 9 o'clock has been postponed to 1 hour. So that's the Filipino time of Donya here. So guys, it's a lovely morning. It's gonna be a long trip, guys. So we're going to Tampa Bay, which is a 1 hour trip from here in Orlando. Okay. Later vlog, guys. So we're getting ready now, guys, for this trip. 1 hour trip to Tampa, Florida. It's a beautiful morning here in Orlando. Okay, guys, just dropping by the rest area to ihi. Madam is there ihiing. Going here as well. Yeah, guys, we arrived here in Tampa Bay. We're gonna see a sailboat. Madam wants to purchase a sailboat.
Oh.
And Dawn is there.
Don't pipot.
It's nice weather.
Gorgeous today.
Gorgeous day.
Nice.
So Dave is gonna check out this sailboat.
It is a Catalina 310.
What does that mean, Dave?
Well, Catalina is a boat builder out of California. They actually build them in Florida.
I see.
And the 310 is like 30 feet.
Ah, okay, it's the size.
Yeah, and it is designed for cruising and or racing.
Right.
Really nice boat. It's a 2004.
This one for, okay.
I'm going to look at it. Older boat. That is supposedly really taken very good care of. So
Yeah.
we're going to look at it and find out.
Okay.
And the only way really to do that is to actually physically go look at it.
Go look at it. Yeah.
Yeah, because pictures
Yeah.
and all the other stuff.
You know, Photoshop.
Yes, you never know.
So how much price we are looking at?
I think this one they're priced at
$60,000. $60,000, guys. So you know the conversion. Just do the conversion.
But you can always make offers.
Yeah. So we're here to make a deal. But Donya here gonna try to persuade. Let's go, madam. Check out the nice place here. See, guys, my bungot is growing here because of no. So guys, it's very nice here. It's a lot of boats. I'll show you guys. So, wow, it's nice. It's pretty. So, madam, can you tour us around? Nice in here, guys. So madam, what can you say about this place? Okay. Yeah, taking photo already. It's nice. You can see, you can hear the birds from up above. Kana? Nagabot dia. So guys, we're just approaching the sailboat to check. Dave is gonna check. So welcome, guys. There's a lot of boats here. Yeah, I don't know. Here's the one. Here's the one. Wow, it's very nice. So I'm gonna check. Sorry.
Yeah, but I want you to see inside.
What na? Can see inside?
She's never been on a sailboat.
You can go inside. Can I check? Let's check inside, guys. Wow, it's interesting. Hello.
It was like, it's moving.
Time to party. Oh, madam.
And then you can open
Small
the
bed.
window.
You can open from the top. Small bed here.
Yeah, and here's the head.
Filled up this one all the way to Bahamas.
Oh yes, absolutely. Yeah, no, this would be a good Bahamas boat.
Really?
Okay, guys, so Dave is just checking right now.
Hey!
Madam is here. So how is it? How do you feel, madam, to be sitting on a sailboat?
I feel dizzy
Feel
already.
dizzy already?
Yeah.
So Donya, how do you feel that you're going to hopefully sail soon?
I feel like I want to puke right now.
You need to practice na Donya, the sailing.
Wait na siya isa mag-sail.
Hindi na ka madam, sitting pretty ka madam. Then you will go there, you will have your two-piece there, have your champagne side. Guys, I checked the conversion. This sailboat is 2 million pesos. But the question is, in Philippines, probably price of this will be 3 times more or 4 times more. Probably this will be 12 million in Philippines. I don't care.
Lingkod-lingkod ka ba? Pinahan na siya. Utok talaga.
This lady is nicknamed Boy Otot here in the US because she's always otot here. Yeah, look at the prices here, guys. This is 89,000. This yacht, this one cheap only 25,000. The boats are having a price tag, guys. May mga presyo na siya. Mahal kayo. Oh, 79 naman lagi. Gamay ra diferensya. Bito kan ni madam. Kini madam mo kay party yacht. Kasi mo sundugan? Okay. May J. Gretchen balay ka. Char. Slow mo pod.
Sige na, go na. Uy. Ang lubot. Oh, wow. Twirl. Just twirl, girl. Ang lubot. Ang lubot, eh. Gabi.
Tambay muna kami dito, guys, because it's too hot. We're looking for a shade, and then Dave is still there checking all the things. Dito, guys, mura lang siguro 60,000, so that's 3 million. If this was in Philippines, sobrang mahal. Okay, guys, we're done with the yacht hunting, so time to eat some food. Yes, we're hungry, and after we eat, we're going to long drive to Pensacola, about 7 hours drive, guys. So we're gonna do the shifting drive. I'm going to drive first time here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, see you around. So we're going to eat here in Bob Evans, guys. I'm really hungry. So we're just ordering, guys. Madam is starving, so I'm gonna order American creamy peppercorn steak, $12.
There, if you want steak, sirloin steak and eggs would be really good.
That's good, huh?
Yeah.
That's with the steak already.
Yeah, it's steak. Yeah, it's got steak
Okay.
and eggs if you like, that together. We do that sometimes for breakfast.
I think I'm gonna change that one, right? Should be okay.
Okay, order.
Palagi. You're a bulabo girl, madam. What are you having, madam?
Steak and egg Benedict.
You guys, we got our orders. Madam, you got your order? Is it?
Y'all enjoy.
Thank you. So we're eating now, guys. I'm gonna dig in now. Bon appetito. Okay, guys, after having lunch, we're just having a quick stop over here in Tampa Riverwalk. So I'll show you guys Tampa Bay Riverwalk. This is how it looks like. So a lot of people here are jogging, walking around. My back, see, people are walking, jogging. So nice. So madam is here chilling.
Yeah.
So is it,
nice.
madam?
The weather is so good, so good.
Here is Donya waiting.
I'll take a picture for you.
Okay, that's it. Let's go. Picture. Okay, they're going to take picture. What are you doing, Sean?
Instagram. Okay, from Instagram daw ni
Instagram?
Oh.
Do the dramatic scene.
Yeah.
Sean.
Yeah, he can do it, Sean.
Stage mom. Driving here.
Siya. Yay. Wow.
Going to Pensacola. I love driving here.
Sure. So, Bago pa. I love na dayon.
He's what is that? Driver is a good lover. What is that again?
Driver, sweet lover.
Sweet
Driver.
lover. Driver, sweet lover.
So we're still a long way to go.
We still have how many hours?
3 hours.
3.5 hours.
3.5. Still far.
Still far.
Okay guys, we have just arrived after 6 hours of drive. Oh my god, 7 hours guys. After 7 hours of drive from Orlando to here, Pensacola. So we have arrived. We're coming in to the humble abode of Charles' family guys. They have a very big house. Well, you said it's not yet finished. So look at the house guys. So big. So big. Living room. And here's the kitchen. Big house. Nice. And here is the laundry room. You have the dryer and the washer. Where? Show me, Mena, down here. Show me your place. Tour us around. Oh yeah. Ini muy nice. Agoy, guys, look at it. We have a swimming pool at the back. Look at this, guys. We have a swimming pool. Very social kay guys. Ang house ni Donya. We have a place to stand by here. We have a swing. Scooter. How may mag-scooter? Can't reach. It's okay. And here's the garage, guys. So this is Donya's Chedeng. This is the service of Donya Gucci, and they have the scooter.
You can ride
okay.
the one on the beach.
Wow.
I want to ride this
That's a very big bike.
motorbike. You cannot reach.
I cannot reach that one for sure. Not for me. Di takabot na. You're only 3, but you have 5 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 6 bikes. And see, Donya is very Christmas feel already. So there's so many lights in Donya's backyard. Spirit of Christmas already here. So guys, let's check the rooms. Check our room. Where's our room?
There.
Show. So this is the room, guys. The room. Quick. And this is our room, guys. This is our room, guys, for the next 5 days. 6 days. Nice. Social, guys. Napaka-social.
Almost 7 days.
Social, guys.